So I know a few of you probably have seen them around the internet, but recently there was a release of hidden sprites in the Pokemon games. You know what we should do with those? Mash them together. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are doing a very fun episode that I'm super excited for. So like I said in the intro, I bet a couple of you have seen this floating around on like Twitter or Tumblr or Instagram, but recently when a ROM of the Pokemon Gold and Silver games were uploaded, we discovered that there are some sprites that are hidden in the game that were never used. So all of these are completely brand new Pokemon to us, and I love so many of them. So I went ahead and did some digging to find a couple of the sprite sheets that at least have like kind of the colored sprites, and here are a couple that I found, and God, some of these I just absolutely love their designs. There's also going to be a link down in the description to the article that I pulled these from because it was really hard to find. Like honestly, it was hard to find the colored sprites themselves because a lot of people have like the black and white ones, so I was really happy to find at least a couple of these. So what we're gonna do today is I have all of these numbered, and we are going to randomly choose 2 of them to mash together into a brand new PokeFusion. So let's go ahead and pull up a random number generator to see which of these 2 unreleased Pokemon we're going to be fusing today. All right, I got my random number generator, so let us pick our first Pokemon. It's gonna be number 17. Ah, cool, we get like the kind of ice Eevee looking thing. I think all of these look like weird Eevee evolutions, so I'm excited to at least get one of them. So we got the ice one for 17. At least I think it's ice. It looks like it could be ice or water. Either way, really excited for that one. Okay, and the next one is number 5. Oh my God, it's the cute little baby Meowth. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. So we're gonna combine this like water dog-like thing with the little baby Meowth. Oh, that's gonna be super cute. I'm so excited for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. We'll do a couple of rough sketches of how I'm gonna combine these 2, and then we'll pick one and line art and color, and we'll have this cute little water cat. I mean, I don't know what the final one's gonna look like, but I think it's gonna look adorable. So let me go ahead, I'll jump in, let's do some rough sketches, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I finished my rough sketches, and so far the first 2 designs are my favorite. The third one, I was trying to incorporate more of the Meowth body and I wasn't really digging it, but I think I'm really gravitating towards this second one. There's a couple things I would probably change. Like I kind of want to add maybe more of the face of this one. I also really like the tail of this one if I could combine it with this one, because I like the more scrunched curled tail. It kind of reminds me of a Shiba. I know I'm a little partial to that because I have 2 of them, but either way, I think I'll go with these first 2 and kind of combine and mix and match them to make the final design, but I have a feeling it's going to really look like the second design here. I think that's going to be the main base design, and then we'll add a couple elements from the first design. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is put this in a little bit more of an interesting pose, do some line art and color, and then we will be done. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, and we are all done with this Pokemon Fusion, and I had a lot of fun with this. I don't think I make a lot of like pastel-y and lightish color monsters, so this was really refreshing to do something very light and airy and watery, and I think it turned out really, really cute. It was interesting to try to combine the aspects of just the sprite, since we don't have like a full render of what these Pokemon look like. I had to go off of what little bits I could get from the sprite, and I think I captured it pretty dang well. So we have the overall structure of the water evolution thing. I don't know what type it was, but either way we have the overall structure of that with a lot of hints of the Meowth body, including like the floating coins and the tail, and I think it's super cute. I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do another one of these unreleased Pokemon fusions or any other Pokemon fusions in the future. So thanks again guys for stopping by and checking out this video, and if you liked it you can go and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week, and if you like this video I'd really appreciate the like, or if you left that comment down below. So thanks again guys for stopping by, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everybody.
Welcome back to the Pokemon Adventures. We are back with Katelyn as she continues her journey to discover new and interesting Pokemon. Hey guys, can we like change it up this episode? I mean, it feels like the same thing every time, and I just feel it's getting really boring. I just find a Pokemon, I catch it, I battle it, and Charmander doesn't even, like, evolve. Like, what the hell? We need to, you know, build up the storyline and do some character development. No. Let's make this episode interesting. Give me something new. Okay, well, I guess go find a new Pokemon. Fine, I'll go do that.
Progress. At least we got a new angle for the yard. Now I just need to find where the heck that Pokemon is hiding. Whoa, what's happening? What's happening? Whoa, what the heck type of Pokemon is that? Pokedex, go!
Error, cannot recognize.
What the heck? Alright, well, I guess I just gotta try to capture it. Go, Charmander! Alright, Charmander, I have no clue what type this is. Go ahead and use a scratch. Oh no, I don't even know what type of attack it's using. Oh no, it's water! Oh crap, Charmander. Just hang in there. Let's keep hitting it with a couple more scratches. Oh geez, everything's glitching out again. What's happening? Oh no, I think it's gonna hit you with another water gun. Oh no, Charmander, I don't think you're gonna make it through. Let me just try catching it and see what happens. Go Pokeball! Oh no, what's happening? It's glitching out! Whoa, where the heck did it go? Is it gone? I hope it didn't fuck up this episode. Oh, maybe a little bit. You know what, we'll just, we'll go, and I won't mess with the, order of things. Sorry, announcer guy, let's continue how we were. It's all good. Okay, we're gonna go catch some other Pokemon, and just do the normal catch, and then train, and then release, and cycle through Pokemon like Ash Ketchum does and never age. Okay, bye. And so Katelyn continued her quest without trying to disturb the balance of the show at all. What will happen next? Probably more Pokemon. Find out next time. This is really hard if you stay.
Look at that judgmental.
Turn back.